In today's video, you will learn how to make $10,000 with these high-end Valentine's Day affiliate programs. If you want to learn all of the details, and particularly in the coming scenes, grab your pen and notepads and let's get right into the video. Hi everyone, so you're welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money. Call me more. I'm a business owner. I share content relating to business, finance, and general money tips through literature, art, and music. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are returning, you are absolutely welcome. If you're so inclined to give this video a like, a share, or a subscription, don't hesitate to. Before I get right into today's video, I'd like to share a quick disclaimer. Please note that the information I shared here today is solely for educational purpose and should neither be treated as business, finance, advertisements, nor legal advice. Thank you so much. You're welcome back. So let's talk about these different affiliate programs that are guaranteed to make us really good monies during this Valentine's Day period. I'm also gearing up to be a part of this. And let's see how we can make these monies together this period. So I'd like to add that I will concentrate on 4 major types of businesses for this purpose. One is the jewelry and accessory business. So if you are that person who enjoys having jewelries, or perhaps you know a lot about precious stones and all those things people love to adorn themselves, and you are certain that you are able to market this product to your target audience, or say your followers, if you have a social media following, then you need to sign up for some of these affiliate programs I will be sharing with you. The good thing about jewelries and precious stones is that they are able to gather a lot of monies for you through affiliate program, and some of the companies I'm going to share with you have a good commission rate, and you're able to earn at least 7% of every sale value of your product. So check out this following sites: Gerald, K Jewelry, Brilliant Earth, Brilliant Earth, and even Olive and Piper, to see if you could be a part of these affiliate programs for this Valentine's Day period. So if you love flowers, or perhaps you love to gift flowers, then this affiliate marketing program is definitely for you. I'm yet to see anyone who doesn't really like flowers, and flowers are beautiful ways to show that special person that you do care for them. And if you are that person who loves using flowers to decorate not just your living spaces but every space around you, and you are sure that you could also market flowers to your customers or perhaps your social media followers or subscribers, then you should consider signing up for this program this Valentine's Day. There are several flower shops or flower producing companies or shops that do have affiliate programs running, and these affiliate programs will definitely help this Valentine's Day season. So if you are that person who is looking to making extra money this season, even whilst also pampering someone, then you should consider some of the affiliate programs I would share with you. They do have a commission rate of at least $6 on every qualifying purchase, and it's also important that you abide by the terms and conditions of your affiliate programs. In the coming scenes, I will share with you the companies that you should consider for these affiliate programs this Valentine's Day. So try out these flower shop affiliate programs with 1-800 Flowers, Teleflora, and then Flower Moxie. I'm wishing you the very best. So according to a 2023 study, candies happen to be the most popular form of gifts on Valentine's Day. Now, if you have that person who's looking to give out candies this Valentine's Day, and at the same time you're also looking to making some monies for yourself in form of an affiliate marketing program, then you should consider joining some of these affiliate programs for certain candy shops or candy making companies that you can earn up to 5% in commission on all qualifying purchases. Ensure that you abide by your terms and conditions of your affiliate program. Now, for the candy affiliate programs, you could try out the taffy shop and also candy store. Remember, you could only promote products once you have been approved for their affiliate programs. I'm again wishing you the very best. Now, for the final one, which is for hotels and resorts, you could decide to sign up with any of these programs for you to earn really good monies when you have a qualifying sale or purchase, and hotels tend to pay you really good commission, and it is often really easy to earn. And these sort of affiliate programs do exist in a number of countries that are qualified to also handle them, particularly for residents who reside in those countries. Now, when you have a qualifying sale for any of the resorts and hotels available, you tend to earn a percentage, which is often good considering the amounts that a lot of customers pay for these hotels. So do not hesitate to try it out, particularly if you are that person who enjoys travel and hospitality business. Finally, for hotels and resorts, try out the Marriott, Hilton, hotels.com, or even booking.com. So try out these affiliate programs and let's see how much you could make during this Valentine's Day period. So I hope you will be trying out these affiliate programs. Leave in the comments, let us know which one you will be trying out. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, do consider giving this video a like, a share, or a subscription. I'd see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.